okay, maybe to make it easy, Zilo, you can choose any other pair, which is USD XXX, and try and analyze it for us.
Can you go to, we did USD JPY. So okay, can you go to USD card?
USD card. All right, there we go.
USD card. I have the same analysis as USD JPY from our peak formation low from last week, but one Thursday going into Friday, and we had our level one, but this one is a bit daty. I don't know.
So this is our peak formation.
Yes.
Then our level one is this one.
Yes, we had our level one there, and level two. It's a bit daty, but it is what it is. So I think.
So level two is which one? Is this one?
Yeah, exactly. That's our level two, and today we made our run into level three. So we are looking for a peak formation high.
All right. So we are anticipating this.
Yeah, in information there.
Okay. All right. So long term, what are we planning?
Long term. Okay, can we go to H4? Okay, I think there's room for upside movement on this one. If we get the move we're expecting on Euro USD, the reset, we might actually get a.
So meaning it's gonna do this.
Yeah, there's room for that because we had it's more of a residual peak formation on the blueberry there. I don't know if it's a residual peak formation, but yeah, I think we're in level 2 H4. If we might get another run into level 3 H4.
Okay, so we are saying, if I heard you correctly, we are saying USD card is on level 3, yet to form peak, and obviously we want them out days, and we said it's gonna sell up to ID50 of H4 and continue by to level 2 H4. Okay. To H4. All right. No, it makes sense. It makes sense. Do we agree on this, or someone has a different opinion? Or someone thinks otherwise? Yes, so I can see people are agreeing. You know, if we are agreeing, just show on the chat page that yes, I agree. If you don't agree, let me know that you don't agree. But if you keep quiet, then it means you agree, you disagree. So now I won't know what your decision is. All right. So yes, I can see people saying they agree there. Now, since we have analyzed XXX USD and we have analyzed USD XXX, now we are going to pick one pair that is a card XXX, and also pick one that is what can I say? What can I say? One that is XXX GBP, maybe. I think it's only Euro GBP. No, so I don't think we can choose that one because it's the only one. I would need at least pairs that you are going to make a comparison on. Okay, let's just do any pair that is the card CAD XXX. So which one do you choose? Any pair that is CAD XXX. Anyone to do that? Any pair that is CAD XXX? Okay, Ricky is saying CAD CHF. I don't know. Do you want to give it a try, Ricky? I don't know if you want to give it a try on CAD CHF. Let me look for it here. CAD CHF. Okay.
Yeah, I can try to give it a try. I was looking at that pair, but I couldn't really figure it out. But I'll try.
Okay. Okay, no, that's fine.
So right now, if you can go to the daily for me.
The daily, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, so to me, it looks like the pair is going down, like for its the long term. It looks like it's going down.
Okay,
It looks like it may pull back to the 50 on a daily, which is what the 200 on the 4 hour.
Okay,
So
something like this.
Yes. So if you go to the 4 hour.
Right, the 4 hour. Okay, so the 4 hour generally we are expecting this and then that from what you're saying.
Yes, that's what I believe.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And
that's number 4. Go to the 1 hour.
Okay, the 1 hour. So the 1 hour will
be the 800. So yeah, I still think it'll go to the 800 and possibly reset.
All right. Okay. Who else has a different opinion on this one? If you agree, just say you agree. If you have a different opinion, kindly raise your hand and we talk. Tafson agrees. Because I want to show you something on this. Vicent agrees. If you have a different opinion, please say it. If you agree, please tell me. Okay, Victor is saying, I think it buys because UCAT is selling. All right, that is a very good observation because that's where I wanted to go to. So that is what I wanted to show you. Okay, that is what I wanted to show you. CAD CHF is on, let's just say it's on level 1 at the moment and is on a buy. And it's gonna buy to H4 200 MA, then reset and sell long term, looking at D1. All right, so now what I wanted to show you is you can see that CAD CHF is on a different level compared to Euro USD, but already they are going in the same direction. Why? Because remember we said XXX USD is a buy, so it means USD XXX is a sell. So we said Euro USD is a buy, so USD CAD is a sell. So it means CAD XXX is a buy. So CAD CHF is a buy. So CAD JPY should be buying, etc., etc. So what we are saying is they will move in the opposite direction of USD CAD. They might not be in the same level with Euro USD, which is where I'm saying this is a general way of handling pairs. But when you are done doing that, then you go to the individual pairs and look at them according to their levels now. Look at them according to their levels. This is the reason why when Euro USD was busy selling, CAD CHF was just consolidating. It bought and started to consolidate. So all along it was simple consolidating, while the other XXX USD pairs were actually pushing down. There's nothing wrong with that because the dealer can decide to do whatever he wants. When Euro USD was buying that previous week, CAD CHF was what? Selling. When Euro USD was consolidating that week, CAD CHF was actually selling. You see now. So it will look like they are not doing the same thing, but they are actually doing the same thing. One can choose to consolidate while the other is moving. One can choose to move while the other is consolidating, but they are doing the very same thing. They will always be going in the same direction compared to the USD CAD, but you're not going to see it because they are not related pairs, but they are being joined together by USD CAD. I don't know if that point makes sense. So that's the point that I wanted to raise, to say you are going to get a buy, but in terms of levels, the levels are different. They are in different levels, but they are both going in the same direction because CAD CHF is supposed to go against USD CAD, but it can also choose to consolidate. That is not a problem. All right. So for me, if we have done this, generally it means we have exhausted the whole market. So we're not going to get into another pair and start to analyze the next pair, because now it is up to you to go and do the homework and say, okay, let me look at GBP USD, let me look at OD USD, let me look and so forth, using the same method that we are using now. Just go and do the same on other pairs and see how it comes out. You will find that it's going to be very easy for you. It's going to be very, very easy for you. So maybe quickly, before we end our session, let's just go to volatilities just for a moment. We're going to analyze at least just 3 on these volatilities. So I was actually building a TDI for myself just to see how it behaves on this page. So, okay, Zilo wants to ask something. Yes, you can go ahead.
Okay, sorry, coach. Last time we analyzed the GBP AUD. Can we just take a peek at what transpired?
Oh, okay. Where's that one? All right. GBP AUD. All right. We were actually here and we were anticipating a buy and then a sell. But I remember from our analysis, we were expecting the market, oh, sorry, right? We're expecting the market to turn somewhere here, 200 EMA, somewhere there. We even said, no, probably it's gonna go around this area. I remember this is exactly what we were anticipating. But nonetheless, the market then went further. It went further to 800 EMA, which for me, it's not really a headache because we were doing level 3 there, level 1 there, level 2 there, and we went to level 3. And the market formed a peak formation and decided to go down. So which I expect the market to form level 3 right here. Then we are going to see where it goes next. I don't want to tell you where it's going to go next because I remember we spoke about this. So I think I can make this a homework to say people are going to send the charts on the group to show us what they think the market is going to go next. Maybe we can actually do this one. Just send me homework and tell me where you think the market is going to go next. But I think we did very well. Of course, it didn't come out exactly the same way we had anticipated, but our projections were very good. And if someone took a buy there, they were going to hold that buy maybe up to the 200 EMA or maybe close out. Then after this, seeing this peak, we're going to take the sell going down. Okay, so I think that is it, guys. So I'm sorry, I just got some visitors. So I'll just quickly run over this. Yes. Thank you, Sasha, for reminding me about the news. So I have some visitors now. So maybe allow me to look at these volatilities and maybe send you just some peaks of what I think is going to happen on a couple of pairs. Then I'll let you, I'll send these maybe probably in the group if I don't forget tonight. All right, because I need to attend to these guys. So I said I have news to tell you. The good and the bad news. I can see people are attentive now. They want to hear what's happening. So the bad news is we're just going to take a temporary break on our Zoom sessions, probably from next week up to the end of September. Maybe we might have one session or we might not have any sessions during this period. So that's the bad news. But the good news is that I'm supposed to be relocating somewhere else. I'll mention about that maybe later on, but all the same, I think it's an advantage to most of the guys that are in America and those who are in India, Asia, and so forth. And also even Africa, I think it's going to be an advantage because in terms of time zones, we'll be more or less a little bit aligned on time zones. So even the times that we are going to be doing our sessions, at least I think it will be a little bit balanced up for everyone. So I think it's a win-win situation for almost everyone to be able to attend these sessions, so that the likes of Brighton won't be attending these sessions very late in the early mornings of the day and so forth, while they're supposed to be asleep. So I think that is the good news. But the bad news is that I need to prepare, and run around and do one or two things before I move to that new place. So I'm going to be relocating. I'll let you know where I'm going, but that is the issue at hand. So let's just be ready and keep on practicing. But if I feel there's a session that we need to do, we'll definitely have the session. If I feel we are supposed to have a session, I will organize one and let you know. Okay, so I think that is it. I hope it makes sense and it is clear for everyone. Okay. Zilo is saying, leave me something. I'm not going anyway. Oh, yeah. Thanks, Donald. Thanks, Donald. So thank you so much, team. Allow me to exit this session and go and attend to the visitors at home. We'll talk on Discord. So thank you so much. Thank you to Miso for saying Dubai. Probably I might go to Dubai. All right, cheers everyone. Have a wonderful evening.